Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX OCR not working on ShareX in 2026. So if text recognition is failing, OCR is showing blank results, or it's not detecting text at all, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and make sure OCR is properly installed and enabled in the Tools section. Sometimes it is not set up correctly after installation. Next, check if the OCR language pack is selected. If the wrong language is chosen, text detection may fail or give empty results. Now update ShareX to the latest version. OCR features often depend on updated components, so older versions can break recognition. Next, make sure your screenshot quality is clear. Blurry or low-resolution images can cause OCR to fail or miss text. Now try selecting a smaller region instead of the full screen. Large areas with mixed content can confuse OCR processing. Next, check if required dependencies are installed, like Net Framework or OCR engine components used by ShareX. Now run ShareX as administrator to ensure it has full access to capture and process screen content. Next, disable any conflicting overlay apps that may affect screen capture quality. Now restart ShareX and try OCR again on a simple text image. Finally, test OCR with a clean screenshot containing clear text to confirm it is working properly, and that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX OCR not working issue. Now text recognition should work smoothly again. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.